As the backbone of modern manufacturing, steel is everywhere in our daily lives. But have you ever wondered how some of these intricate steel components are made? I'm Wendy, and today I will take you inside 3ERP's factory to explore the precise CNC machining process used to craft steel parts. It all starts with a digital blueprint. Our engineers use CAM software to generate code to guide the machine. In our workshop, CNC machines handle a wide range of operations, from cutting to drilling, with exceptional speed and precision, down to tolerance of just plus or minus 5 micrometers. Surface finishing is just as important. Processes like polishing and sandblasting enhance the surface quality, making the final product both more aesthetically pleasing and functional. Precision machine steel parts are critical across many industries. Heavy machinery and industry equipment rely on them for durability. From engine parts to gearboxes, steel components are essential to the automotive industry. And in the energy sector, you will find CNC machine steel in wind turbines, drilling apparatus, and power transmission elements. While metals such as aluminum, copper, titanium excel in specific areas such as aerospace and electronics. Steel's balance of performance, cost, and practicality makes it the most widely used material. Besides, different types of steel have unique properties. Stainless steel is known for its corrosion resistance and strength, making it ideal for harsh environments. Alloy steels, enriched with other elements, offer enhanced mechanical properties and are perfect for high-demand applications. High-speed steel, on the other hand, is designed for high-speed cutting tools, thanks to its outstanding hardness and heat resistance. As a leading on-demand manufacturer and rapid prototyping provider, 3ERP offers a variety of CNC machining services for numerous industries. Contact us today to turn your ideas into reality.